Minister wa mathako Hassan Wario, Minister ugitiri wa thi-ini wa bururi Joseph Nkeseri, odumwe na Inspector General wa borithi Joseph Boynet, umuthi ni maceririe kiharo-ini gia Kasarani kuria mahenya ma mbeu njithi magakorwo magitabanirio kuma mweri 12 mweri uyu. Thegi ya bururi gukorwo ukinyita ugeni mabũrũri 131, uhaririria uyu wa mathako maya ni ukurehe utonga munene guku bũrũri-ini hamwe naguo ari nyumba cia gukomwo iria ire University-ini ya Kenyatta.
The biggest championship Kenya has ever hosted. We've learned a lot, and this experience will be taken into the future. And what is the future? The future is for Kenya to host World Athletics Championship and bigger things.
Kuringana na Ikeseri, wihaririria uyu ugatirihwo muthenya wa mwambiririo kiumia twerekeire na nereire a Kenya na ageni othe ati ugitiri wao ni murumbuiye kuigana.
The place is fully secured and the security has been put in place as required, and we think all those who will be participating and those who will be spectators will be secure and will be safe.
Kiama kia Mahenya guku bũrũri-ini nikio AKI kiugite ni kinyitite ugeni njorua ciothe cia Mahenya kuma guku bũrũri-ini o ndumwe na a Kenya magakorwo magiuka kunyitirira timu ya bũrũri kuona kiharo gia Kasarani kiria kiiganagira andu 60,000 gigakorwo kihinguritwo. Riu gibarua gigukorwo moko-ini ma thirikari na ministry ya mathako gutigirira utonga uria ugutigwo thutha wa uhaririria wa mahenya maya ni waramatwo. Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV kuma guku kiharo-ini gia Kasarani, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure, mwari wa Karuiru.